Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you watched my last video, then you would know what this video is about. If not, this video is about this hair that I have installed in my head. So let's get into it. I got this hair from Aliexpress. It is the Peruvian curly hair from the Valley company, and it was like some pack hair. The inches were 20, 18, and 16. 20-inch stop a little below my nose. Yes, a little below my boobs. You guys, this hair is life. Oh, and yeah, I had to purchase a closure because I'm natural and my natural hair didn't go so well with it. So my natural hair and this hair didn't click. But you guys, this hair is gorgeous. And I say gorgeous, I mean gorgeous. I just got a little taste of shedding. That's it. Just that much. It's like 2 strands of shedding. The ends are still looking good. The ends are still looking gorgeous too. You guys, I am not disappointed about this hair. I had this hair installed for like a week. This is actually my second install with this hair. The first time I had it for like a few days because I used my natural hair, and as I just stated, my hair and this hair did not click at all. So yeah, this hair is gorgeous. This hair is bomb and everything. I wish I could send a link to the hair, but the store is closed on Aliexpress. So that sucks because I actually wanted to purchase more to make it even more fuller. But you guys, like I said, I'm not complaining because I love this hair. And I purchased this lace closure from eBay. I purchased the lace closure from eBay, so you guys, this hair is bomb.com. So and that's all. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. And like it, thumbs up. Subscribe and comment down below. Thank you.